Hi, in this tutorial, we will go through the process of changing and deploying ISL Always On settings using registry keys. This can save us time and effort by allowing us to adjust the default settings on multiple machines simultaneously later on. So first, let's open ISL Always On in the system tray. Click on it and select Settings. Next, let's navigate to the Desktop Sharing menu to the left side of the Settings window. Here we can see a list of various settings. So for today's tutorial, we will be creating a registry file that tells ISL Always On to first show the remote side a notification before a remote desktop session is established. So let's tick Notification of Incoming Connection. By default, there will be a timeout of 10 seconds in between the time the remote user receives the notification and when the setting is established. Let's change it to 20 seconds. Another option is to allow the local user to reject the connection. Let's tick that as well, and let's also set it so that the connection is automatically rejected after the 20 seconds have passed. Okay, so once we click Save, let's open the registry editor and navigate to the following path. Once there, right-click on the ISL Always On folder and select Export. Let's choose a location where we will save the exported registry file and give it a name. Okay, so once that's done, let's open the exported registry file in a text editor. As we can see here, it contains all of the registry entries stored in the ISL Always On folder, including the settings we have just modified. Notify Show, which is now set to True, and Notify Timeout, which is set to 20. The settings Notify Allow Reject and Notify Reject Default are set to allow the remote user to reject the connection, as well as ensure the remote connection is rejected upon timeout. These will later on be used to replicate the changes on other machines. Now for the next step, which is important, we will clean the registry file by removing unnecessary entries, leaving only the newly changed settings, the path, and the first line Windows Registry Editor version 5. Now we can copy and run the cleaned up file on another PC with ISL Always On installed to duplicate those settings. Once we have run the file on the new machine and clicked Yes and OK, the settings we have defined will have been attributed to it. From now on, this new machine will get a notification when a remote user establishes a connection along with a 20-second delay. This registry file can also be deployed to multiple machines at once using deployment tools to then adjust the required settings without having to do this manually on each separate computer. There you have it. We've successfully learned how to deploy settings using registry files for ISL Always On. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and see you in another video.